Hi, this is Matt from Sections Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an entrance animation in Sections Pro. An entrance animation is really an animation that shows as you scroll through a page. And so we're going to start by finding the Animate utility. This is just a section, just like any other section within the application. And we're going to hit Publish and publish it to our main theme and jump into the customizer. And so what you want to do is you want to animate a section kind of as you're scrolling. So I'm going to select one down at the bottom here. So let's do Media Grid. And I'm going to add the animate section. And so in order to animate a section, what I'm going to do is place it above the section I want to animate. So click on that. I'm going to say I want to have let's do a slide in animation. And we're going to do the animate the element, the container. And we'll select keep the default speed and just hit save here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the page and to see as I scroll, you'll see that nice little entrance animation. So that was just a quick overview of how to do entrance animations within Sections Pro.